Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use easy fan lashes. First, gather your essential tools: your easy fan lashes, a reliable lash adhesive, and a pair of fine-tip tweezers. Before you begin, always ensure your client's natural lashes are completely clean and dry. This crucial step guarantees optimal adhesion and a long-lasting bond. Next, carefully select the appropriate lash length and curl to complement their unique eye shape, aiming for a natural yet enhanced look. Now, let's master the fan creation. Using your tweezers, gently pick up a small group of easy fan lashes directly from the strip. The magic happens next. Lightly wiggle the base of this small group. This subtle movement encourages the lashes to naturally spread into a beautiful, symmetrical fan. Strive for a fan containing anywhere from 2 to 6 individual lashes, depending on the desired volume and fullness. With your perfect fan ready, it's time for adhesive and application. Carefully dip only the very base of your created fan into a small, fresh drop of lash adhesive. It is vital to ensure that just the bottom 1 to 2 millimeters of the fan are coated, avoiding excess glue. Then, with precision, place the fan onto an isolated natural lash, maintaining a tiny distance of approximately 1 millimeter from the eyelid for comfort and proper growth. To complete the process, allow the lash adhesive to fully cure for a minimum of 24 hours before any moisture exposure. Provide your clients with clear instructions on proper aftercare, emphasizing gentle cleansing with a lash-safe cleanser. Crucially, advise them to avoid all oil-based products near the lash line, as these can weaken the adhesive bond and lead to premature lash loss. Following these steps ensures beautiful, long-lasting results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.